students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now today we read the 5th chapter from your book Moment. The name of this chapter is Happy Prince. This is the 3rd part of this chapter. Okay, so here now from there, all the next day he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories about what he had seen in strange lands. Okay, means here जब हैप्पी प्रिंस की आंखें चली जाती हैं, उसका वो नीलम का जो वो स्टोन है वो पब्लिक को वो दे देता है फॉर द वेलफेयर of them, and then after on the next day that swallow bird sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories. और उसके बाद जो swallow है that tell the stories of what he had seen in strange land, means on that strange city. Then after, dear little swallow, said the prince. Now prince said to that swallow, you tell me of marvelous things, means you tell me the good things of that city, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. But in my point of view, the marvelous thing is suffering of men and women. If you tell me or told me the stories about the suffering men and women, that is marvelous to me. There is no mystery so great as mystery, means there is no mystery, कोई ऐसी mystery नहीं है so as great to mystery. Mystery means दुख, sadness. Fly over my city means you that swallow fly over my city, little swallow, and tell me what you see there, and you tell me what you see there. Then so the swallow flew over the great city and saw the rich making merry in their beautiful house, while the beggar was sitting at the gates. He flew into the dark lane and saw the white faces of struggling children. Struggling मतलब जो भूख से भूखे बच्चे. Okay, looking out listlessly at the black streets under the archway of a bridge, मतलब जो ब्रिज होता है उसके नीचे के पोर्शन को. Two little boys were lying in each other's arm to try and keep themselves warm. How hungry we are, they said. That boys said, how hungry we are. You must not lie here, shouted the watchman, and they wandered out into the rain. Okay, then after that swallow flew over means वो पूरी सिटी में उड़ती है और वो देखती है कि rich making merry in their beautiful house, कि जो अमीर लोग हैं they are happy in their beautiful house. On the other hand, there a beggar were sitting in the gate, और जो beggar हैं जो भिखारी हैं they were sitting in the gate. And then that swallow flew into the dark lane. There he saw the white faces of struggling children. Struggling children मतलब कि भूखे जो बच्चे हैं उनको देखती है. Looking out listlessly at the black street, and then after under arms of try and keep themselves warm, मतलब कि वो ब्रिज के नीचे दो बच्चे बैठे हैं, वो एक दूसरे को बाजू ऐसे डाले, they keep warm to each other. How hungry we are, they said. They said, how hungry we are. You must not lie here, shouted the watchman, and they wandered out into the rain. वहाँ पर फिर watchman आता है and he shouted, you must not lie here. Okay, on that way, then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. Okay, then he flew back. That swallow flew back and told the prince what he had seen. Means जो भी उसने देखा वो that's all told to that prince. I am covered with fine gold, said the prince. Now the prince told that I am covered with fine gold. You must take it off, means मेरी बॉडी जो है that is covered with gold, so you can take it, you can take this gold leaf by leaf, means एक एक पत्ता, and give it to the poor, and give all this to the poor. The living always thinks that gold can make them happy, means और जो ये जिन इन persons को दे दो, means which one suffered from hunger, and gold can make them happy. Then after this gold can make them happy. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold the swallow picked off till the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. Leaf after leaf, and then after that swallow keep out that leaf and after leaf of the fine gold, and that swallow picked off that leaf until the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. अब उसकी बॉडी से जब वो सारा गोल्ड निकाल लिया गया, now on that case that prince looked quite dull and grey. Leaf after leaf of the leaf after leaf fine gold he brought to the poor, and the children faces grew rosier, and they laughed and played in the street. We have bread now, they cried. अब वो गोल्ड जो है वो उनको दे दिया गया उन चिल्ड्रंस को. नाउ द फेस ऑफ दैट चिल्ड्रन ग्रू रोजियर, मतलब कि वो एक चमक उठा उनका चेहरा. एंड दे लाफ्ड एंड प्ले इन दैट स्ट्रीट. अब वो खुशी के मारे काफी हंस रहे हैं और खेल रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ वी हैव ब्रेड. नाउ वी हैव ब्रेड मतलब अब हम खा सकते हैं. दे क्राई. देन द स्नो, then the snow came. Snow means बर्फ. Okay, वहां then the snow came, and after the snow came the frost. Frost means after the, मतलब then the snow came मतलब वहां पर अब बर्फ गिरने शुरू हो गई. and after the snow came the frost means वो गिर रही है, बार बार काफी ज्यादा गिर रही है. the streets looked as if they were made of silver. अब वहां पर बर्फ गिर रही है तो बर्फ गिरने के बाद that street looked like a silver. Now everybody went about in fours, and the little boys wore scarlet caps and scattered on the ice. और अब वहां पर everyone about in fours मतलब वो आगे की तरफ भाग रहे हैं. एंड द लिटिल बॉय वॉर स्कारलेट, उन्होंने वो स्कारलेट से पहन ली मतलब कि अपने आप को उस बर्फ से ऊपर ना गिरे उससे बचने के लिए. एंड स्कैट ऑन द आइस. देन द पुअर लिटिल स्वेलो ग्रू कोल्डर एंड कूल्डर, बट ही वुड नॉट लीव द प्रिंस. नाउ दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट मतलब कि जो वहां पर बर्फ पड़ रही थी, जो ठंडा क्लाइमेट था, दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर दैट वर्ड स्वेलो. ओके, जो स्वेलो है उसको वो गर्म एटमोस्फेयर में रहती है, बट यहाँ पर स्वेलो के लिए एक कोल्ड क्लाइमेट बन रहा था. सो दैट्स व्हाई दैट स्वेलो ग्रू कोल्ड एंड cold. Okay, but he would not leave the prince. But that swallow would not leave the prince. He loved him too well. That swallow loved the prince too well. Okay, he picked up crumbs. Crumbs means the small pieces. Okay, outside the baker door when the baker was not looking. Okay, that swallow picked up crumbs means the small pieces of bread or something. Clear? Outside the baker who make the bread and buns वगैरह. Okay, so that baker, when the baker was not looking and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. and that swallow tried to keep himself warm when that swallow flapping means the wings जो उसके पंख हैं उनको इस तरह से हिला रही है. Okay, but at the last he knew that he was going to die. But at last he knew that swallow knew that he was going to die. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more. Goodbye, dear prince, he murmured. Will you let me kiss your hand? At last that swallow knew that he was going to die, and on that time he knew that his strength to fly up to the princess, and then again he murmured means whispering, very slow sound. Okay, बहुत ही धीमी सी आवाज में वो कहती है goodbye dear prince. Okay, will you let me kiss your hand? क्या मैं आपके हैंड में किस कर सकती हूँ? I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last, little swallow, said the prince. You have stayed too long here, but you must kiss me on the lips, for I love you. Okay, then after, I am glad that happy prince told, I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last, means मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है अगर तुम इजिप्ट चली जाती. Little swallow, said the prince. Okay, these words said by prince. Okay, you have stayed too long here, मतलब कि तुम यहाँ काफी टाइम से रह रही हो, but you must kiss me on the lips, for I love you. And now on that time happy prince told to that swallow he loved to, मतलब कि प्रिंस जो है उसको कह रहा है I love you. It is not to Egypt that I am going. Okay, said the swallow. Now swallow said, it is not to Egypt that I am going, means मैं जा रही हूँ. I am going to the house of death. Okay, now swallow said, I am going to the house of death, means I am not going to the Egypt, but I am going to the house of death. Death is the brother of sleep. Clear? Is he not? And he kissed the happy prince on the lips and fell down dead at his feet. Then after that swallow said, I am going to the house of death, and death is the brother of sleep, मतलब कि मैं लंबी नींद सोने जा रही हूँ. And then after he kissed, that swallow kissed the happy prince on the lips and fell down dead at his feet, means उसके पाँव पे वो गिरकर मर गई. Okay, at that moment is crucious crack sounded inside the statue. और उस टाइम पर एक क्रूशियस क्रैक साउंड मीन्स एक बहुत ही दुख भरी आवाज, बहुत ही मतलब एक हैरिशिंग साउंड, विच वन मतलब जो अच्छी आवाज नहीं है, दैट इज इनसाइड द स्टैचू एज इफ समथिंग हैड ब्रोकन, मतलब कि उसको फील हुआ कि कुछ गिरा, मीन्स इट्स क्रूशियस क्रैक हो, जैसे कोई कांच टूटता है तो उसकी आवाज आती है ना, ऑन द सेम वे. क्लियर? द फैक्ट इज दैट द लिटिल हार्ट हैड snapped right in two. It certainly was a dreadfully hard frost. Okay, the fact was that कि वहाँ पर ऐसा क्यों हुआ, snapped right in two. It certainly was a dreadful hard frost, मतलब कि वो जो climate था उस city का उस वक्त, that is too much cool. So that's why. Earlier in the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in company with the town councillor. As they passed the column, he looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looked, he said. On the next morning, clear? On the next morning, when the mayor is the head of that city, means it's some administrative officer, or that mayor was walking in the square, means below that town, okay, in the company with the town councillor. As they passed the column, he looked when that mayor and the town councillor passed on near the statue of that happy prince. They said, dear me, how shabby the हैप्पी प्रिंस लुक, मतलब कि हैप्पी प्रिंस जो है वो कितना अजीब सा अभी दिख रहा है। ही सेड हाउ सैबी इंडीड, मतलब क्राइड द टाउन काउंसलर। टाउन काउंसलर कह रहा है कि हाँ ये कितना सैबी मीन्स बहुत ही गंदा, ये बहुत मतलब वो बहुत सुंदर था ना, क्योंकि वो गोल्ड से भरा हुआ था, उसकी मतलब रूबी थी, स्पैरिस थी, तो अब जो है वो कुछ भी नहीं है। तो नाउ दैट लुक शैबी मीन्स बहुत ही भद्दा सा, गंदा सा। सो दैट्स व्हाई who always agreed with the mayor and they went up to look at it. Then the ruby has fallen out of his sword, his eyes are gone and he is golden no longer, said the mayor. In fact, he is a little better than a beggar. Okay, means now at this time the ruby of that happy prince has fallen out from his sword and his eyes are gone, means कि उसकी आंखें जा चुकी थी, and the golden no longer, gold भी वहां पर नहीं था, said the mayor, and in fact he is a little better than a beggar, मतलब कि अब वो एक भिखारी की तरह दिख रहा था। okay, then little better than a beggar, said the town councillor, and the same word repeat again by town councillor. And here is actually a dead bird at his feet, and there is a dead bird at his feet. Whose feet? Happy Prince feet. Continue the mayor. Okay, now continue the mayor. Then we must really issue a proclamations that word are not, means then that say that we must really issue a proclamation that word are not to be allowed to die here, and the town clerk made a note of the suggestions. Now here so here, and here is actually a dead bird at his feet, continued the mayor. We must really issue a proclamations that words are not to be allowed to die here. Means proclamations means एक लॉ निकालेंगे कि यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जो स्टैचू के नीचे किसी वर्ड को मारा जाए। एंड द टाउन क्लर्क मेड ए नोट ऑफ द सजेशंस, और जो टाउन क्लर्क है वो दैट मेड ए नोट ऑफ द सजेशंस. So they pulled down the statue of the happy prince. Okay, then after they pulled down means उस जो happy prince का statue है it's totally pulled down, as he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful, because now that happy, the statue of that happy prince not look like a so beautiful and not look, and that one is not useful for the welfare of people. So that's why art professor at the university, said the art professor by the university. Then they melted the statue. Now they melted the statue, that statue of happy prince, in a furnace. Okay, in a furnace मतलब कि उसको totally एक मतलब एकदम जैसे कबाड़ खाना जो होता है उसमें कबाड़ में उसको मिला दिया. Then melted the statue in a furnace. What a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. Okay, this broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace, but the heart of that prince. Okay, but the heart of that prince will not melt in the furnace, मतलब वो नहीं, वो कबाड़ नहीं बन रहा था. The heart of that prince, we must throw it away. Okay, और उन्होंने वो heart उठाया और उसको फेंक दिया. So they threw it on a dust heap where the dead swallow was also lying. Okay, उसके बाद उन्होंने उसको जो उसका heart है वो उसको throw किया in a dust heap where the dead swallow was also lying, जहाँ पर dead swallow भी फेंकी हुई थी. ओके, तो यहाँ पर ये स्टोरी खत्म होती है, बट ये these lines are very important. Okay, bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels. Okay, now here, and the angel brought him the laden hurt and the dead bird. Okay, here in the last of this chapter, here God means भगवान जो है, अब वो एक एंजल को, अपने एंजल्स यानी अपने दूत को कहता है कि मुझे इस दुनिया के सबसे सुंदर टू मोस्ट प्रीसियस थिंग्स मीन्स कि जो इस सिटी की, इस वर्ल्ड की सबसे सुंदर दो चीजें जो हैं, जो बहुत कीमती हैं, यू ब्रिंग मी दैट. ओके, हु सेड? गॉड टू हिज एंजल्स. एंजल मतलब कि अपने दूत को बोलता है. एंड दैट एंजल ब्रॉट हिम द लेडन हर्ट एंड द डेड वर्ड. अब वो जो एंजल है, वो जो दूत है, उसने किसको लाए? वो टू प्रीसियस थिंग्स क्या है? वो हैप्पी प्रिंस का हर्ट और वो डेड बर्ड यानी स्वेलो. Then you have rightly chosen, said God. Now God said, you have rightly choose. Okay, for in my garden of paradise means मेरा ये जो स्वर्ग है, ये जो सुंदर जगह है, here this little word shall sing forever more, and in my city of gold the happy prince shall praise me. Okay, बोला now